Good morning students, hope you all are well. So today's video is about the other part of the ecosystem, that is the interdependence of organisms. So as you know, all the organisms are directly or indirectly dependent on each other. Like the producers and the consumers are directly or indirectly dependent on each other. So there is three process: symbiosis, parasitism and predation. So sometimes this type of interdependence can be beneficial for the organism, or sometimes it can be harmful for the organism. So let's see our first process, that is symbiosis. So it is a close relationship, or it is a interaction between two different species or two different organisms, but they share the similar habitat, means they are present in the same place, and both the organisms get benefit from each other. So this type of symbiotic relationship we can see in case of pea plant, that is a leguminous plant. So in their roots there are some bead-like structure, and that is known as nodules. One bacteria, that is rhizobium. So that bacteria lives in the root nodules. Okay, and this is a symbiotic relationship. So let's see how this symbiotic relationship happens. So the bacteria rhizobium that is present inside the root nodules of the pea plant, it takes the nitrogen from atmosphere, and it converts the nitrogen into its simpler form, that is nitrates. And the nitrates are absorbed by the plants, and that helps in the growth and development of the plant. And the plants also provide shelter and nutrition to the bacterium. As the bacteria is present inside the root nodules, that means the plant provides shelter and nutrition to the bacterium. Next is parasitism. So it is a relationship between two living species in which one organism is benefited but the expense of the other, and the organism that is benefited, that is the parasite, and the other organism that is harmed, that called host. That means it is an interaction between the host and parasite. So what is the example of this parasitism? The relationship between the tapeworm and human, means this parasite is present in our body. So it is a type of parasitic relationship, tapeworm and humans. So tapeworm is the parasite and human means we are the host. So tapeworm lives in human intestine. Okay, in our intestine this tapeworm lives, and they take the nutrition by sucking the digested nutrients from the intestinal wall. As you can see, this is the structure of this tapeworm, and in the head portion there are some very thin structures, that is the sucker. Okay, so through this sucker they are attached in the wall of the intestine, and from there they are sucking the digestive nutrients. So they are getting the benefits from humans. And the last is predation. So it is a relationship between two organisms where one hunts the other for his food. So the hunter is called the predator, and the hunted is called the prey. Like the relationship between the tiger and deer, leopard and deer, like this. So the tiger or the leopards, they hunt and they kills herbivorous animals or deers for their food. So it is a relationship. This kind of relationship is called predation. But this is also very important to maintain the balance of the ecosystem. So this is a prey and predator relationship between the cheetah and the deer.